Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
I think you can hear me.
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Thought so. Okay, P.
But the voice is not clear, sir.
Don't worry.
Now I hear you, sir.
I guess I'm very clearly audible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Now you are clearly audible.
Yeah. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Zeba. Hello, Faizan. Hello, Afreen, Tani.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
So we have some homework to check.
Sir,
Yes.
you are looking very nice today, sir.
Come
You are
again.
looking handsome.
Sir is
Really?
always looking nice.
Yes, sir. You are looking very nice today.
But I thought I was looking ugly today because I look tired. My eyes are a little swollen, puffy eyes I have. I didn't get very good sleep last night. So I think my eyes are looking so puffy. Puffy eyes means, students? Oh, full, swollen eyes in the morning when you wake up.
Fully.
Yeah, you look
Very
tired when you have those puffy eyes. Puffy, puffy eyes. And puff मतलब होता है ये फूल जाना, इसीलिए फरी को क्या बोलते हैं? Puffed rice. फरी ना, फरी या puffed rice, because of फूल जाता है, rice becomes big, so puffy eyes, Okay. Thank you anyways for the compliments, guys. And let's look at this exercise here. Time expressions. Complete the sentences using the past simple and the time expression in brackets. Notice, somebody says, I've seen that film. Okay, I have seen that film. मैंने वो film देखी है. Present perfect है ना? I have seen. I have seen means present perfect. इसमें क्या time बताया कि कब देखी है पता चला? नहीं ना. सिर्फ पता चला हाँ देखी है. I have seen that film. But when you mention the time, then you change the sentence to past simple. And you say, I saw it yesterday. I saw it
yesterday.
Yesterday.
I saw it yesterday.
I saw it yesterday.
Very important rule
Yesterday.
in English grammar. हिंदी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप बोल दे I have seen that film yesterday. But in English, you cannot say I have seen that film yesterday. आपको हर हाल में बोलना होगा I saw it yesterday. Yesterday means past tense. Got it? You cannot use the present perfect. So I have seen that film. हम फिल्म देखे हैं ये कल देखे थे. I've seen that film. I saw it yesterday. Now two. Jude Law से मिले हैं हम. I have met Jude Law. Jude Law के जगह बोल दो शाहरुख खान. Jude Law के जगह बोल दो Ranveer Kapoor. No problems. Okay. I met him in a restaurant 2 years ago. So when you answer the question when, the sentence automatically changes to past simple. So I have met Jude Law. हम Jude Law से मिले हैं, लेकिन बता रहे कब मिले ये बता रहे क्या? कोई आइडिया दे रहे कब? नहीं ना. तो when we use the present perfect, we never mention when. We don't mention when. We do not give a specific time of the action in the present perfect. In the present perfect, we don't give a specific time of the action. It's important that you understand this. I have met Jude Law. I met him in a restaurant 2 years ago. Number 3, I've read Stieg Larsson's detective stories. I have read them. हाँ पढ़े हैं. I have read them. Okay? I've read them. But कब पढ़े बता रहे नहीं ना. जब कब पढ़े बताना चाहेंगे, we will need the past tense. We will need the past tense if we want to mention when. तो पढ़ कर लो अगले sentence में when कर दो. I
I read them.
read
read them
last
last
year.
year. I read them last year. It's an important grammar rule in English. This rule does not have any value in Hindi because this is not really true about Hindi. But in English, you must maintain this rule. A complicated rule for Hindi speakers. And I think it's a complicated rule for Padma as well, because most of the Indian languages follow the same kind of grammar, almost, okay, when it comes to tense and stuff. Okay, so I have read Stieg Larsson's detective stories. I read them last year. Number 4, I've been to China. I've been to China. See, I've been to
I
China.
was there in 2004.
Very good. I was there in 2004. I went there in 2004. Right? Both are fine. So dekho, when you say I've been to China, are you saying when? When you say I've been to China, do you mention when? You don't. So present perfect doesn't allow you to mention the time of the action. When the action happened, you can't mention it. You can't mention the time of the action in the present perfect. इसको लिख लो अपने दिमाग पे. We cannot mention the time of the action in the present perfect. Present perfect only allows us to say something has happened. But we do not mention when. If we mention when, then we will need the past simple. 5. कर लिए, डिनर कर लिए यार, खा लिया, हो गया, कर लिया. I've had dinner. I've had dinner.
I had a pizza. I had
अब
a
आगे
pizza at 7:30.
I had a pizza at 7:30. Okay. I had a pizza at 7:30.
Sir,
I
you say
talked
we not mention the time of the expression in present simple, na?
present simple कहाँ से आ गया पूर्वा?
Past
Present
simple.
perfect, sir. Present perfect, sir.
फिर से बोलना पूर्वा, फिर से बोलना, अपनी बात दोहरा लो बेटा. Repeat your words.
We cannot mention the time of the expression in present perfect.
Okay, I want to rephrase that. We don't mention when something happened in the present perfect. We don't mention the time of the action in the present perfect. We don't mention when something happened in the present perfect. In the present perfect, we only say something has happened. Something has happened, but we don't mention when. We don't mention the details. We say, yes, something has
Okay.
happened. Number 6, I bought a new pair of jeans. किसी को आप खबर दे रहे हो? किसी को आपने खबर दी, न्यूज़ दिया क्या? I bought a new pair of jeans. Did you mention when? Did you mention when? नहीं कहा ना? इसीलिए present perfect is absolutely okay. I bought a new pair of jeans. नया jeans खरीदे
I
हैं?
bought them. I bought them
last
I
month.
bought them
last
last
Monday.
Monday.
Okay, कहाँ बोलते हैं? I bought a new pair of jeans. किसी को बता रहे, right? पता है? I bought a new pair of jeans. नया jeans खरीदे हैं. I bought a new pair of jeans. Right? But we didn't mention the time. When? When did you buy? Oh,
I
yesterday.
bought them last Monday.
Last Monday. Okay. Yeah. Number 7. I have lived in Paris. हम पेरिस में रहे हैं. हम पेरिस में रहे हैं. I have lived in Paris. I have lived in Paris. I have lived in Paris. I lived there when I was 16.
I lived there when I was 16.
10.
8. I've done my homework. I've done my homework.
I did it before I got home.
I did it
before I got
before I got home. घर आने से
before I
पहले ही
got
कर लिया.
home.
टाइम मेंशन कर दिया ना? कब किए? Before I got home. कब किए? Before I got home. So if you remember this exercise, the 8 sentences of this exercise, the rule here, then you can avoid a lot of mistakes in English just because of this exercise. If you really understand this exercise. In all these 8 sentences, we were practicing one rule. that we cannot mention the time of the action in the present perfect. The present perfect doesn't say when something happened. It only says something has happened. Hua hai kuch. But you can't mention when. If you want to mention when, you need a past simple exercise, past simple sentence. And if you look at all these 8 sentences, then you realize what kind of time expressions are used in the past simple. Yesterday, 2 years ago, last year, in 2004, at
At
7:30,
7:30, last
Monday,
Monday,
when I was
when
16,
When I was 16.
Before I got
before
I
home.
got home. These type of expressions are used in the past simple. So when you see
Past
these
simple.
expressions, when you see these time expressions, you should be confident that you need the past simple tense, not the present perfect tense. When you look at these time expressions, they should help you. Ah, these time expression, oh, past simple sentence. These expressions are very common with the past simple sentences.
2 मिनट तो नहीं अब हम नया गंजी दे देगा 2 मिनट ना हम नया गंजी
Now, yet plus question. Freddy is always late in the morning. Freddy is always late in the morning. Freddy is not a very punctual guy. He's always late in the morning. Write his mother's questions using the phrases. एक नया यूज तुम्हें पता ना टास्क कंप्लीट करने के लिए ठीक है टास्क कंप्लीट हुआ है कि नहीं टास्क कोई भी काम होता है टास्क होता है ओके टेक अ लुक नंबर 1 अरे फ्रेडिया उठा रे अरे उठा रे तुम कि नहीं उठा अभी तक राइट कैसे बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में
have
फ्रेडी
you got out of
Have
bed
you
yet?
got
क्यों क्यों पास सिंपल
bed
नहीं
yet?
यूज कर रहे क्योंकि सवाल है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं तो हम पूछ रहे काम कंप्लीट हुआ है कि नहीं तो ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में यहाँ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट इज द ओनली ऑप्शन ओके अरे उठा रे तुम उठा कि नहीं उठा अभी तक हैव यू गॉट आउट ऑफ बेड येट यस मैम
Bed yet?
अरे फ्रेडिया तुम कपड़ा कपड़ा पहना रे फ्रेडी
Have you got dressed?
Have you got dressed yet?
हैव यू गॉट ड्रेस्ड येट अगेन व्हाट आर यू डूइंग पूछ रहे हो कोई काम कंप्लीट हुआ है कि नहीं तो काम कंप्लीट हुआ है कि नहीं कौन से टेंस में पूछेंगे बेटा
Present perfect plus yet.
दोनों चुप हो गए मतलब क्या प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो कहते हैं ना कि नहा के भी सूखे रह जाना नहा के भी गंदे रह जाना तुम लोग से कोई सीखे 2 सेंटेंस प्रैक्टिस कर लिया और हम पूछ दिए कि अच्छा कोई पूछ रहा टास्क कंप्लीट हुआ है कि नहीं कौन से टेंस में पूछेगा तो मुंह बंद अभी पूछा हैव यू गॉट आउट ऑफ बेड कौन सा टेंस है ये हैव यू गॉट आउट ऑफ बेड
Present
हैव यू
perfect.
गॉट ड्रेस्ड येट कौन सा टेंस है हैव यू गॉट ड्रेस्ड येट तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट इज यूज्ड to ask about whether or not a task has been completed. अरे ब्रश किया रे
Have you brushed your teeth yet?
yet?
Have you brushed your teeth yet? No, mom, I haven't. Next. अरे फ्रेडी बिस्तर सरिया रे
Have you made your bed yet?
Have you made your bed yet?
Have you made your bed yet? 5.
Have you had your breakfast?
Have you
Have
had
you
your
Have you had
have you had
breakfast
breakfast
yet?
yet?
Have you had breakfast yet? नाश्ता किया भी कि नहीं किए हो? No, mom. Number 6.
Have you
Have you
Have
had
you
a
had
shower
a shower yet?
Have you had
Have you had a
a
shower yet? No, mom. 7.
Have you
Ready.
packed your school bag?
Have you
Have
packed
Have you
school bag
packed
bag
your
yet?
school bag yet? अब अपने लाइफ में इसको ले जाओ, अपने लाइफ में ले जाओ. किसी से क्या क्या पूछोगे तुम अपने घर में? चलो, give me some sentences. Question that you ask normally of your brothers, sisters, mummy, papa. They ask each other. Come on, I want to hear some sentences from your mouth about about family. What kind of question they ask each other? Yes.
Mummy,
you
have you
got ready?
prepared? Mommy, have you prepared lunch bag yet?
Yes. Yes, Faizan. Have you made lunch yet?
have you
Yes, Tani. Internet problem, Tani. Now I understand why Tani doesn't want to get Wi-Fi. किराए के मकान में वाईफाई कौन लेता है? Right, Tani?
my internet is okay, sir?
Nah, your internet is never okay. You don't have Wi-Fi. Okay, come on, people. Tell me, what are the sentences your family members
You-
and you use?
Mummy, have you washed the cloth yet?
Mummy, have you washed my black shirt yet? Have you washed my black shirt yet? अरे मेरा black वाला shirt धोई कि नहीं मम्मी अभी? I have to go to a party tomorrow. Or in the evening. Okay, make it natural, guys. Make it natural. You can. Think of some more. अरे मौसी को मैसेज की रे कि नहीं की? Have you texted Masi yet?
Mummy, have you texted Mausi's yet?
Yeah.
Most of it.
All right. Let's move on. 6. Now we know this guy
Sir,
Freddy's
have
situation.
you, sir,
Hmm.
have you saw my
Seen.
message yet?
Seen. Have you seen?
Okay, sir. Have you seen my message yet?
No, no.
I was
haven't.
texted you. I was
I
text
was
you.
texted
No,
you.
I
क्यों
was
बोल रहे हो?
texted you
I was texted you. क्यों बोल रहे हो? टेक्स्ट वर्ब है तो was
because
क्या कर रहा है? बी वर्ब क्या कर रहा है उसमें?
sir, sometimes you told
समटाइम्स
me,
को गोली
sir,
मारे. पहले
was
पहले मेरी बात
after
सुने.
was
पहले मेरी बात. वो बात की चीज. पहले बेसिक. वर्ब क्या है इसमें?
yes, sir.
वर्ब क्या है?
Was
was क्यों वर्ब है? टेक्स्ट करना वर्ब क्यों नहीं है?
yes, sir, you are right. I texted you only.
I haven't checked your text on Telegram or WhatsApp.
Actually, sir, I only exercise. I made a
Oh.
sentence.
Oh, I see. Good sentence. Now. अरे उसका पैसा वापस किए कि नहीं किए अभी तक तुम? Very common. अरे उसका पैसा वापस किए जी? Have you paid him back yet?
Have you paid him back it?
Have you paid him back yet?
Can we
Have you
say,
re-
have you returned?
वही बोलने वाला था. Have you returned his money yet? है ना? Literal
Okay.
ज्यादा हो गया. तो दोनों ही ऑप्शंस है आपके पास. क्यों नहीं बोल सकते आप पूर्वा? रिटर्न मतलब वापस करना होता है, मनी मतलब पैसा होता है. क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? ये बताओ मुझे. क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? क्यों नहीं बोलेंगे? कोई वजह नहीं. लेकिन हाँ, when you spend time with native speakers, then you learn so many things that you wouldn't know otherwise. Again, I'm not a native speaker of English, but because of my exposure, I know a little bit more than just literal translation. But those people who have never spent any time with native speakers, can they not speak English? They can. But again, their English may not be very natural. For example, have you returned his money yet? Have you? returned his money yet? It's absolutely
Returned his
correct.
money.
Absolutely correct. There should be
Sir,
zero doubt in your mind. Why would it not be correct? Yes.
have
Yes.
you dressed up your children yet?
बच्चे को कपड़े पहनाए हो कि नहीं पहना अभी तक? रेडी हुए हैं कि नहीं वो लोग, है ना? ठीक है।
Yes.
Found
Have
है।
you uh, have you mm, have you cleaned my car yet?
Very good.
Have you done my work? Have you done my work yet?
Yep, good. अरे तुम उसको अभी तक बोला है कि नहीं बोला है? पहले ही बताओ। तुम अभी तक उसको बताया है कि नहीं बताया है?
Have
अरे
you
यार कब
to
बताओगे
have you
यार?
told
कब बताओगे?
have
Have
you
you told her yet?
have you told them yet?
हाँ, है ना? When are you going to? कब बताओगे? When are you?
Yes, sir. I told them
Okay.
yesterday.
Yeah, I told them yesterday. अगर yesterday लगाना है तो have नहीं बोल सकते. Yes, I told them yesterday. Okay. Yes, well done, फैजान. यही point है ना? कि जब तुम्हें बताना हो कब किए तो past simple. Very good. Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
Have you drunk sattu yet? Yes, today I drank
Yes.
meetha sattu, sattu with sugar for a change. देखा मैंने डिटेल दिया तो प्रेजेंट पास्ट सिंपल कर दिया, ठीक है? यस, टुडे आई ड्रैंक सत्तू विद शुगर फॉर अ चेंज, ठीक है? तो जब आपका जवाब होगा तो वो हाँ ना होगा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में, लेकिन डिटेल्स देना चाहोगे तो कौन से टेंस में चले जाओगे डिटेल्स देने के
Past
लिए?
past
simple.
simple,
अगर आपको याद है
Past
पिछले 10
simple.
दिन से हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, डिटेल्स देना है तो पास्ट
Yes.
सिंपल।
past
Past
simple,
simple.
Yeah.
And if you explain your experience, then you have to need
present,
present perfect.
हाँ, काम हो गया ये भी
And you
बताने के लिए
want
प्रेजेंट
to
परफेक्ट,
present
काम हो
perfect.
गया है ये
But you
बताने के लिए
want
प्रेजेंट
to
परफेक्ट,
yes. And
बट
but
डिटेल्स
when you tell details, then you have to use past
पास्ट सिंपल।
simple.
एग्जैक्टली।
Past simple detail.
Sir, have you had your breakfast yet?
No, not really, Faizan. I normally don't have breakfast at this time. I usually go downstairs after finishing all my classes at 11:30, and then I have breakfast around 12 o'clock.
Sir, has your wife prepared breakfast
Has
early in the
has your wife?
morning?
Has your wife?
No, no.
Has your wife?
Has
As
your
your
has your
wife.
wife has your wife prepared breakfast
क्या आपकी पत्नी ने
yet?
खाना बना दिया है ना? हाँ, येट ये बोल सकते
Yeah.
हैं। टाइम नहीं लगा सकते, टाइम लगाना होगा तो मामला गड़बड़ा जाएगा, वो
Yes,
पास्ट
sir.
परफेक्ट पास्ट सिंपल
Yeah.
हो जाएगा, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट नहीं रहेगा। Has your wife made breakfast yet? Yeah, she did it in the morning before she went to school.
Then why you haven't had your breakfast?
I don't feel like eating anything in the morning, very early in the morning. I don't feel like eating anything solid in the morning. Roti, sabji, all these things, I don't feel like eating these things early, 6 or 7. I don't. I I want them after 10 o'clock. I want some liquid in the morning, like sattu, lassi, matha, juice. I prefer some liquid, breakfast
Sir,
first.
have you ever breakfast early in the morning? Have you had your breakfast in 6 o'clock at 6 o'clock?
ये देखो, ये सवाल देखो क्या पूछ रहे हैं आप, इस पे बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देने की जरूरत है। रिपीट योर क्वेश्चन।
Sir, have you had your breakfast early in the morning?
ये
Have you
एक्सपीरियंस की
ever
बात
you
हो, आप हिंदी में बोलो। हाँ,
yes,
एवर एवर ये हो गया, ठीक है। हैव यू
yeah.
एवर हैड ब्रेकफास्ट एट 6? ये एट 6 कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ये एकदम परफेक्ट है।
Okay.
क्यों?
Yes.
ये वाला एक्सपीरियंस है कि नहीं? 6 बजे नाश्ता करने वाला एक्सपीरियंस है कि नहीं? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड। Have you ever had breakfast at 6 in the morning? कभी सुबह 6 बजे नाश्ता किए हो? बात समझ आ रही है? कभी 4 बजे उठे हो लाइफ में? ओके, हैव यू एवर
Yeah.
वोकन अप और गॉट आउट ऑफ बेड
Have
एट
you
4 इन द
ever
मॉर्निंग?
woken up?
ये एकदम परफेक्ट है। कुछ लोग को लगेगा एट 4 लगा दिया तो पास सिंपल होना चाहिए। नहीं, तुम ये एक्सपीरियंस पूछ रहे हो कि ये वाला एक्सपीरियंस है कि नहीं। एम आई राइट?
Yes.
Yes, sir, you are right.
हैव यू एवर been to an adult film with your wife? Have
Uh,
you ever been to an adult film? Have you ever seen an adult film at the cinema with your wife? पूरा का पूरा एक्सपीरियंस पूछ रहे हो कि कभी भी सिनेमा हॉल में अपनी पत्नी के साथ कोई एडल्ट फिल्म देखे हैं? राइट, ये एक्सपीरियंस है। ऐसे डायरेक्ट पूछा जाए, अगर आप मुझसे सीधे पूछे एडल्ट फिल्म देखे हैं कभी, हैव यू एवर सीन एन एडल्ट फिल्म, ये भी एक
Have
एक्सपीरियंस
you
हो गया।
ever seen an adult film?
ठीक है, ये एक्सपीरियंस हो गया। और उसके बाद हैव यू, अगर ये सवाल अगर आप मुझसे पूछते हैं हैव यू एवर सीन एन एडल्ट फिल्म, और मैं कहूँ यस आई हैव, ओके, और उसके बाद मैं डिटेल दूं, तो मैं कहूंगा आई सॉ इट एट द सिनेमा हॉल। द फर्स्ट एडल्ट फिल्म आई सॉ वाज एट द सिनेमा हॉल। ठीक है, तो मैं देखो पास्ट टेंस यूज कर रहा हूं बिकॉज इट इज अ डिटेल ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन, द एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू टॉक्ड अबाउट। हैव यू एवर
Sir,
सीन एन एडल्ट फिल्म?
who
Who
did
did you
you
go with?
see with?
Who did you go with? Who did you see the film with? Right? Then I will say I went with my wife. अगर मैं कहूँ I went with my wife, तो ये डिटेल है उस एक्सपीरियंस का, and that's why in this context past simple is better because it is the detail of that experience. लेकिन आप ये सब बातें हटाइए और सीधे पूछिए आप कभी पत्नी के साथ देखे हैं? तो ये एक्सपीरियंस पूछ रहे हो आप मेरे से, राइट? Have you ever seen an adult film with your wife at the cinema? Right? Have you ever seen an adult film at the cinema with your wife? ये पूरा का पूरा अनुभव पूछ रहे हो कि ये अनुभव है आपके पास? A lot of people have seen adult films, but have you seen an adult film at the cinema with your wife? ये वाला अनुभव है, because very few people do that, right? So you're asking if you have that experience. तो पॉइंट ये है कि आपको बहुत खुला दिमाग रख के ये समझना होगा कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट सही है और कहाँ पास्ट सिंपल। दोनों सेंटेंसेस सही होते हैं अलग अलग कॉन्टेक्स्ट में। Past simple is not the experience. Present perfect is the experience. Past simple is the detail of the experience. Yes. Clear or not clear? We have been talking about it for 10
Yes, sir.
days. 10 days. Past simple is not the experience. Present perfect talks about the experience. Past simple is the detail of the experience. Everybody is comfortable with this explanation?
Yes, sir. Have you ever stole anything
Stolen.
from stolen? Okay. Have you ever stolen anything at the shop, sir?
Yeah, good question. Have you ever stolen anything at the shop? ठीक है? Very good. It's an experience question. Have you ever done it? Yes, I have. I stole XYZ thing when I was this age. I stole XYZ thing from this shop. ऐसे करके बोल सकते हैं, right? Can we continue now?
No, sir.
Have
Have you
you felt
brought
hot
have
yet?
you brought
Have you ever
my toothpaste yet
Food from
from
your
shop?
neighbors?
Okay, Apurva, hold on to your question, Apurva, because Faizan has asked a very interesting question here. Again, he says, have you brought my toothpaste from the shop yet? किसी को बोला था टूथपेस्ट लाने के लिए? पूछा टूथपेस्ट वाला है रे? Have you brought my toothpaste from the shop yet? ठीक है, तो टास्क वाले में एवर नहीं होता, वो एक्सपीरियंस वाले में होता है, और टास्क वाले में येट ज्यादा कॉमन है। ओके, नाउ अपूर्वा, व्हाट वाज योर क्वेश्चन बेटा?
Have you ever stolen fruits from your neighbor's house?
No, Apurva, I
Yes,
have never
I
done
think
that.
he was.
No,
He did.
अरे ये बॉस कैसे हो जाएगा? इसका जवाब yes I have या
He
I
did,
have?
sir. He did.
नहीं, he did
No,
नहीं,
sir.
इसका जवाब he did नहीं, yes he
Yes, he
has आप
has.
बोल सकते
If
हो।
I confirm, sir,
नहीं,
if
मेरी
I
बात सुनो,
know very well and if I confirm, then
फर्क नहीं पड़ता,
I
फर्क नहीं पड़ता है फैजान, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। आपने सवाल सुना, उसने पूछा
Yes.
have you ever stolen fruits from your neighbor's house? तो इसका जवाब आप देंगे yes he has, I know
Yes,
he
he
has,
has.
yes he has. बाद में डिटेल्स आप दो पास सिंपल में, खाली बताने के लिए कि
Okay.
हाँ ये काम ये किए है, एक्सपीरियंस है. Yes he has, yes he has.
Have you ever had a
Biryani.
shower without soap?
Tani, your voice is breaking up big time. And by the way, Apurva, the answer is
Hello?
no. I haven't stolen any fruits from my neighbor's house. Ever. Never.
Have you have you ever
Have
met
you
biryani?
Tani, Apurva, hold on. Yes, Tani.
Have you ever had a shower without soap?
Many times, Tani. Many times. I often do it. It's a very common thing. Have you ever had a shower without soap? Just with water? Many times. You know, whenever I don't
Sir,
feel like
have you-
having a bath, I just go stand under the shower, rub my skin, and come out. Yeah, very common.
Have you felt hot yet?
Hold on, Tani. Hold on. After you, Apurva. One question from people, okay, at a time.
Okay.
Apurva.
Have you ever met biryani yet?
ये तो अपूर्वा ने मिक्सअप कर दिया. उसने मिक्सअप कर दिया.
Yes, sir. He
अपूर्वा
used
ने
ever
mix up-
plus yet in one sentence.
अपूर्वा ने मिक्सअप कर दिया. अपूर्वा, तुम मेरे से एक्सपीरियंस पूछना चाह रही हो कि टास्क कंप्लीट किए, ये नहीं पूछना चाह रही हो?
Sir, experience. Have you
उसमें
ever
येट क्या
met
कर रहा
biryani?
उसमें येट क्या कर रहा था? उसमें येट क्या कर रहा था? नहीं बोलना था ना?
Yes, sir. Have you ever met biryani?
Have you made biryani yet?
ये नहीं, मुशर्रफ, आप कंफ्यूज हो क्या? येट इज हियर ना. ये फ्रेडी पे चिल्ला चिल्ला के मम्मी पूछ रही है, अरे लड़का ये किया रे, वो किया रे. तो दिस इज नॉट एक्सपीरियंस, दिस इज अबाउट कंप्लीटिंग द टास्क. कम ऑन. ओके.
Sir,
यस पद्मा.
have you ever beaten any student in our class? Sir,
इसमें एवर और एट नहीं, येट एक साथ नहीं करो यार.
okay. Sir.
ओके.
Have you ever beaten any student in our class?
In your class? No. In your
Without
class?
any
No.
reason.
No.
Without any
In your
reason.
class, I have not beaten without a reason or with a reason. I have never beaten a student in your class. But in my life,
Just scold.
yes. In my life, I have beaten a couple of students. Not a lot, a couple of students. One slap or two slaps like that. Not like, oh,
Sir, have you ever frustrated any student?
I have frustrated many students with my personality. अगर आप बहुत ही religious इंसान है तो मेरे comment से ही आप frustrated हो जाते हैं. सबसे पहली चीज, you know, I don't have to do anything more. I just, the way I talk about
Can I say, sir,
religion,
have you made
other
biryani
people
yet?
will- नहीं सर, आप क्यों बोलेंगे आप ऐसा? आप हिंदी में सोचें. Yet is used, Musharraf, for completing the task. जो task दिया गया वो हुआ है कि नहीं, या जो expected था आपसे, जो आपसे उम्मीद लगाई गई थी ये काम करेंगे, किए हैं कि नहीं किए हैं. ठीक है. मम्मी चली गई, अब कार बस में बैठी है, पटना जा रही है, पूछ रहे, अरे तुम उठा रे, अरे ब्रश किया रे. ऐसा आपसे उम्मीद किया हुआ था ना कि करोगे. तो वो पूछे कि हैव यू ब्रश योर टीथ येट, हैव यू हैड अ बाथ येट, हैव यू हैड ब्रेकफास्ट येट. ये सब उम्मीद किया हुआ था कि आपसे
Sir,
आप करेंगे.
If
तो कंफर्म.
sir, if we want to ask, then we ask, have you made biryani yet?
हाँ, आपने अगर मुझसे कहा था बिरयानी बनाने के लिए, प्लीज सिचुएशन शुड बी लाइक दैट. मुझसे एक्सपेक्टेड था तो वो काम हुआ है कि नहीं. अच्छा मुझे बताओ, you never told me that you were going to buy a car. You never told me. You never told me you were going to buy a bike. We never had
Sir,
that
have
conversation.
you
सुनो बिहार
Wait,
वासियों
Pradhan.
सुनो. Okay, सुनो.
Hmm.
You never told me that you were going to buy a bike. तो मैं तुमसे आके एक दिन पूछूंगा, have you bought the bike yet? Can I ask this
No,
question?
sir.
no?
No,
No.
You
sir.
never told me that you plan to buy a bike. You never told me anything about buying a bike. Can I simply one day say to you, have you bought the bike yet? नहीं. क्योंकि तुमने मुझे कभी बोला नहीं, मैं कैसे बोलूं तुम्हें कि बाइकवा खरीदा? कौन सा बाइकवा खरीदा? कब तुम बोला कि बाइक खरीदने वाले हैं? बट सपोज यू टोल्ड मी यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ बाइंग अ बाइक, विनय सर आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ बाइंग अ बाइक, यू नो, ओके। तो 5-6 दिन बाद, after 5 or 6 days of this conversation, I asked you, have you bought the bike yet? Have you bought the bike yet? अरे बाइक खरीदा? बोल रहा था बाइक खरीदेंगे। Have you bought the bike yet? नहीं सर, कहाँ खरीदे? I'm going to buy sir next month sir. Got it?
Yes,
लेकिन
sir. Sir, have you seen Tani's message yet?
yes, I have seen the messages and I can't respond to 2 questions at the same time. So I'm going to respond to that question a bit later. First of all, I want to tell you guys, ever तो पता है तुम्हें experience के लिए है? Yet अभी तुमने देखा फ्रेडी की मम्मी चिल्ला चिल्ला के गला सुखा ली और तुमको समझ नहीं आया? हाँ, वो चिल्ला चिल्ला के गला सुखा लिया। अरे फ्रेडिया, have you gotten out of bed yet? But you guys don't understand कि क्या कब बोलना है ये लाइन। तो तुम मुझसे कब पूछोगे बिरयानी बना के नहीं बना अभी तक? कब पूछोगे?
When
बना रहे होंगे या
uh,
प्लानिंग
told
था
you.
या कुछ भी ऐसा बात, ऐसी कोई कॉन्टेक्स्ट रहना चाहिए। अगर सीधा
When I
पूछना है
told
कि
you
कभी
before.
लाइफ में बिरयानी बनाए हो तो येट से बोलोगे।
no, ever. We use ever. Have
Have
you
you
have you
ever
ever
cooked
ha-
biryani?
have you ever cooked biryani?
मुशर्रफ, इसमें येट ना लगाना मुशर्रफ। आई नो तुम जिस तरह से सोच रहे हो, आई नो द वे यू आर थिंकिंग, बट यू डोंट नीड द वर्ड येट। ठीक है, उसमें एवर से
Okay,
ही
sir.
हो गया, एवर से ही हो गया।
Yes.
क्या आपने कभी बिरयानी बनाया है?
Have you ever
Have you
visited
ever
Raj?
made?
ऑफ कोर्स